Hi, I'm Melissa Hurkman and I'm going to show you 3 ways to curl your hair. The first way is with using no heat, and you want your hair to be about 80% dry. To prep my hair, I'm using the Marc Anthony True Professional Coconut Oil and Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner to lock in moisture. Using 1 to 2 inch sections, coil your hair in the same direction all over your head and secure with a hairpin. Don't worry about your sections or your coils being perfect. That'll make them more beachy. Now that my hair is fully coiled, I'll go to bed and wake up and take these out. So this is the next day. Be delicate with your hair when you take out the coils so your hair doesn't get frizzy. Comb your fingers through your hair just to break all the curls up. Next, I'm going to show you how to curl your hair with a flat iron. To prep my hair, I'm using the Pure Brazilian Anti-Frizz Serum and blow drying my hair. While constantly clamping onto the hair, feed the hair into the flat iron at an S formation, and this will give you a soft wave. And the last way is using a curling iron. Taking a large curling iron, start from the bottom about 1 inch sections, curling each piece away from your face and leaving the ends out. Now that my hair is completely curled, I'm going to rake my fingers through it to break up the curls. That was 3 different ways to curl your hair. Let us know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Bye!